High-level Wing Chun is it's really about the hands. Most people's Wing Chun, the hands are dead. Besides just punching or a palm strike, your hands need to be able to change and be soft. See, like I make contact, but my fingers are still able to move even though I'm able to control him. My fingers are alive. See, come closer. See, my hands and fingers are always seeking to look for control. This is how I'm able to get these locks, because the hands are active. This is how I'm able to control. Because I'm always looking to capture first rather than be punch-centric. I'd rather control, because if I can control you, I can hit you anytime I want.